Waves. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the motion of objects that are oscillating in isolation. But what happens in a system? System means that is the collection of such objects. The answer to this is we will study material medium. Elastic force binds the constituent to each other. Therefore, motion of one will affect the motion of the other. एक पेबल है लिटल, इफ यू विल ड्रॉप इट इन अ पॉन्ड में जिसमें स्टिल वाटर है, तो उससे क्या होगा, वाटर सरफेस गेट्स डिस्टर्ब. दिस डिस्टर्बेंस इज नॉट कन्फाइंड टू वन प्लेस, इट प्रोपगेट्स आउटवर्ड अलोंग सर्कल्स. इफ वी कंटिन्यू टू ड्रॉप pebbles in pond, we will see circles rapidly moving outward from the point where water surface was disturbed. It gives us a feeling that water is moving outward from the point of disturbance. If we will put cork pieces on the disturbed surface, we will see that cork pieces move up and down and not away from the center of disturbance. वो up and down move करेंगे, ना कि away from the center. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि वाटर मास डजंट फ्लो आउटवर्ड विद सर्कल्स, ओनली मूविंग डिस्टर्बेंस इज क्रिएटेड. व्हेन वी स्पीक sound it moves outward from us without any flow of air from one part of the medium to another. Disturbances produced in air, they are much less obvious, only our ears or microphone can detect them. These patterns that move without actual or physical transfer या flow of matter as a whole are called waves. इन patterns को ही हम waves कहते हैं. In this chapter we will study waves. Waves transport energy. Pattern of disturbance has information that propagate from one point to another. All our communications depend on transmission of signal through waves. Speech means production of sound waves in air, and hearings mean detection of these sound waves. Communication involves different kind of waves. Often it is seen that sound waves, it gets converted into electric current signal, and this generates EM wave, that is electromagnetic wave. This is transmitted by optical cable or satellite. Detection of original signal involve these steps in reverse order. तो मतलब EM wave से बनेगा करंट, फिर उससे साउंड वेव, मतलब ये डिकोड हो जाएगा वापस से. Not all waves require medium for propagation. Light waves can travel through vacuum. Light emitted by stars that are hundreds of light years away, reaches us through interstellar space, and this is practically a vacuum, interstellar space. Most familiar type of waves are waves on strings, water waves, sound waves, seismic waves. These are all mechanical waves. That is, they require medium for propagation. They can't propagate through vacuum. They involve oscillation of constituent particles and depend on the elastic properties of medium. Electromagnetic waves, which we will study and learn in class 12, they are different type of wave. They don't necessarily require a medium. They can travel through vacuum. Light, radio waves, X-rays, these are EM waves, electromagnetic waves. In vacuum, all EM waves have same speed, c, which is equal to 299,792,458 meter per second. Third kind of wave, that is matter waves. This is associated with constituents of matter, that is electrons, protons, neutrons, atoms, molecules. They arise in quantum mechanical nature's description. This we will learn in later studies. It is conceptually more abstract than mechanical or EM waves. It has already found several applications and devices that are basic to modern technology. Matter waves that are associated with electrons, they are employed in electron microscopes. In this chapter we will study mechanical waves that require material medium for their propagation. Aesthetic influence of waves on art and literature is seen from very early times. First scientific analysis of wave motion dates back to 17th century. Famous scientists that are associated with the physics of wave motion are Christian Huygens 1629 से 1695, Robert Hooke, Isaac Newton. Understanding of physics of waves followed the physics of oscillation of masses that are tied to springs and simple pendulum. Waves in elastic media is intimately connected with the harmonic oscillations. Stretched strings, coiled springs, air, etc. These are all elastic media. यहाँ पे बात हुई है ना elastic media की. We will illustrate this connection, ये जो connection है इन दोनों के बीच में, through simple examples. Consider collection of springs that are connected to one another. ये spring connected है. अगर हमने जैसे यहाँ से इसको एक jerk दिया तो spring at one end is pulled suddenly and released. Disturbance travels to other end. इससे यहाँ पे हमने pull किया तो disturbance जो होगी वो other end पे चली जाएगी. What has happened? First spring is disturbed from its equilibrium length. Since second string is connected to first spring, therefore second string will also be stretched or compressed, and so on. Disturbance moves from one end to other. Each spring only executes small oscillation about its equilibrium position. Practical example of this situation we can see. Consider stationary train at railway station. Different bogies of train, they are coupled to each other through spring coupling. Engine attached at one end gives a push to bogie next to it, and this push is transmitted from one bogie to another without entire train being bodily displaced. Consider propagation of sound waves in air. Wave passes through air, and this wave compresses or expands a small region of air. This causes change in density, let's say delta rho, of this small region, and this change in density induces change in pressure delta P in this small region. Pressure is force per unit area, so therefore restoring force proportional to disturbance is generated just like in spring. A quantity similar to expansion or compression of spring is change in density. A region is compressed, let's say. That means molecules are packed together, they tend to move out to the adjoining region. इससे क्या होगा? There will be increase in density या फिर compression in the adjoining region. Air in the first region undergoes rarefaction. Region that is rarefied comparatively, तो air वहाँ पे चली जाएगी Russian. तो इससे क्या होगा? रेयरफेक्शन मूव टू एडजॉइनिंग रीजन जहाँ से एयर आई थी और यहाँ पे नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. ऐसे मूव करती रहेंगी. कंप्रेशन रेयरफेक्शन मूव्स फ्रॉम वन रीजन टू अनदर. देयरफॉर दिस मेक पॉसिबल द प्रोपगेशन ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इन एयर. इन सॉलिड्स ऑल्सो सिमिलर आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कैन बी देयर. क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में क्या होता है? एटम्स और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स दे आर अरेंज्ड इन पीरियोडिक लैटिस. ईच एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स दे आर इन इक्विलिब्रियम ड्यू टू फोर्सेस फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग एटम्स. Displacing one atom, keeping others fixed, leads to restoring forces as in spring. Atoms in lattice, they can be considered as endpoints, and springs between pairs of them, they are present. We will discuss characteristic properties of waves.